Rare find alert. What we have is a kit-built Slowpoke. You can see it. And it has been sitting unflown for probably about 10 years. This is a OS32 two-stroke engine on this thing, and I'm going to try to run it up. I had to ungum it and put some nitro in there and turn the prop over, and lo and behold, it had compression. So we're going to see how this thing does. You can see the compression here. It's got pretty good compression. Like I said, this thing's been sitting for like 11, 12 years. You can see it's an OS 35. My hand's in the way. OS 35. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right, got it all ready. We're gonna see what we can get her to do. Here we go. All right, got her started. How about that? Runs good. It made a mess, but it's running good. So next video we'll do is it'll be of this airplane doing a maiden flight on it. How about that? Pretty good, pretty good. Ran good. It was hard to start. Had a bunch of gunk go up here. Threw her up all over the place, but hey, it's running pretty good. Stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. More adventures coming. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe, hit the bell, and thanks again.